Hey everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. Tonight we're going to make some Parmesan Zucchini chips, and these are going to be keto friendly. I've been wanting to make these for a long time, so let's give it a try. First thing we're going to do is set the oven to 425 degrees. Then we're going to get our zucchini washed up. Next we're going to chop our zucchini. I'm going to do them into pretty thin. Oops, that one wasn't thin. Rounds. About yay thick. Check out these bowls I got on Marketplace. It's a set of 4. And I got a pretty good deal on them. So after we do that, then we're going to sprinkle some olive oil. You want to make sure both sides are oiled. In a separate bowl, you want to go ahead and grate your Parmesan cheese. And if you are on keto, remember that they use fillers to separate the cheese or to keep it from sticking. And a lot of times they use potato starch, and that will knock you out of ketosis. So it's always best to grate your own cheese. In your cheese, you're going to add a tablespoon of garlic powder. I love garlic. And chunky. Alright, get this mixed up. You also want to line a baking dish with, or a baking pan with parchment paper. We're going to add some salt and pepper to this too. With my new handy dandy salt and pepper shaker Joe bought me. And just salt and pepper it to taste. Okay, you want to take your zucchini and you want to put the cheese mixture on each side. It's not sticking too well to this, so I was going to do 2 zucchinis, but I think that I'm going to do just 1 for now. It's late. And we're going to bake this for 15 to 25 minutes. You want to check it after about 15 minutes and see if the Parmesan has turned brown yet. Alright y'all, let's put this in the oven and see what it does. Alright everybody, they're out the oven. They look pretty good. We're going to let these cool down a little bit and then give it a taste test. Alright, they're out the oven. Joe's going to give one a try. try a small one too.
The flavor is absolutely delicious. If we sliced them a little bit thinner, they would be more crispy though.
Yeah.
We need to get a mandolin.
Or let them cook a little bit longer.
I don't know, they're really good though.
Well, there you have it. They're delicious. So, if you give this a try, let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up, share.
Subscribe.
And subscribe. I'm all caught up in this Parmesan.
It's really good though.
Yeah, it is. So, see you on the next video, and thanks for watching.
You know what, everyone? Now that I've ate about 6 of these things, I would not cut them any thinner. They're absolutely delicious just the way they are.